Thanks, Jeff. Brick Lemons here, reporting on the winter storm approaching. Storm Gia has approached and hit St. Louis. Look at all this snow. Brick Lemons again. Today we'll be interviewing Steve Nature about his idea on why a gorilla should be freed from the St. Louis Zoo. Thank you. Brick Lemons, by the way. Is it still on? Hello, St. Louis. Reporting live from St. Louis Zoo. I'm here, Brick Lemons, with Steve Nature.
I'm Steve Nature, and I love animals.
I love animals too, Steve.
Back in my hometown in Australia, I used to have 30 different pets just in my household. Every certain beast has their own unique qualities that just makes them amazing.
Very true, Steve. Very true.
So I'm just trying to do my best for my friend Georgie. We're gonna let him free here at the zoo. He's gonna run wild. It's a little bit sad leaving him. Personally, I grew up a very close connection with Georgie. Just look at him. I love that animal. Freedom.
I don't think he's living.
Freedom.
And as you see, Steve Nature is releasing George the gorilla. Quite riveting.
Georgie. Come here, Georgie. Come on. It's time to be free. It's time to be free. Come on now, Georgie. Come on, Georgie.
Truly emotional. Brick Lemons here, Brick Lemons here. What did you just see? Fucking gorilla.
I really miss my gorilla. I'm not gonna lie, I miss Georgie. I miss Georgie. I really... Found me. My furry friend.
You heard it here first at GNN. George is dead.
George! CPR. Do you see?
Brick Lemons.
George!
Brick Lemons here. By the way,
My
remember
friend
that.
George. Rest in peace, George. He was a free spirit, a free, fuzzy, loving animal. He flew a little bit too far from home, from his cage. My little butterfly, George.